Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to endorse a skill on LinkedIn. This is a great way to support your colleagues and connections by highlighting their expertise, and it only takes a few seconds to do. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your LinkedIn profile so you can access all your connections and their profiles. After you've logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll type in the name of the person whose skill you want to endorse. It could be a colleague, a friend, or anyone in your network. Just start typing their name, and LinkedIn will show you matching results. Click on the profile of the person you're looking for to open it. Now that you're on their profile, scroll down slowly through the page. You'll pass through sections like their About section, Experience, and Education. Keep scrolling until you reach the Skills section. This is where LinkedIn displays all the professional skills that person has added to their profile. It's usually located somewhere in the middle or lower part of their profile page. Once you've found the Skills section, take a moment to browse through the skills listed there. You'll see various abilities and areas of expertise that the person has chosen to highlight. Find the specific skill you want to endorse. It could be something like project management, graphic design, public speaking, or any other skill that you feel they excel at based on your experience working with them. When you've identified the skill you want to endorse, look directly underneath it. You'll notice a small button or link that says Endorse. This is the key element you need to interact with. Simply click on Endorse. As soon as you do, the endorsement is recorded instantly. The button will likely change appearance to show that you've already endorsed that skill, and the person will receive a notification that you've endorsed them. And that's it. You've successfully endorsed a skill on LinkedIn, helping to validate your connection's expertise and potentially boosting their professional credibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.